Munch, munch, nyam, 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 nyam. Ouch, ouch, it hurts. Help me, my tooth hurts so much from all this yummy candy. Oh no, my friend is hurt. This is an emergency auto rescue team. Roll out, POPO. Today, I am the dentist. The ambulance is rushing, here we come. Oh my Coco, what happened? Cookie says you ate too much candy today. Woof woof. Popo Coco ate too much candy, and now she has black cavity monsters in her mouth. Please help her fast. Let me take a look, say. Oh boy, you got bitten by the cavity monsters. That must hurt a lot. Just hold on a little bit. Dr. Popo has the strongest teeth, and I will fix it super fast. Don't worry, Coco. To catch the cavity monsters, we need to brush your teeth very carefully. It might tickle a little, but it will be over soon. Kong Kong, don't be scared, Coco. If Dr. Popo treats you, it won't hurt at all. You are doing a great job. Of course it is going to be so much fun. Now, Dr. Popo's special seashell toothbrush. Let's go. Chika chika, swish swish. Up and down, chika chika, swish swish. Look, the wiggly black monsters are washing away. Wow, Popo brushed them so well. All right, now, let's rinse with water, gargle, gargle, spit, all done. Coco, you must have been surprised, but you were so brave next, so that brushing your teeth can be fun every single day. I have a pretty toothbrush gift for you. Which one? Nya nya. I like the sweet strawberry toothbrush. It is my favorite color. Thank you, Dr. Popo. You are the best. Coco, do not forget to do your Chika Chika brushing right after you eat candies or sweet snacks, okay? Promise to brush. Did you have fun watching the video? Enjoy more fun. Play activities with Popo and friends. Start for free right now. Bye-bye.